Yes, man, eating that Chinese rice from Pan Express, and I killed it. I'm not even sure, man, but the beans, I guess I spilled it. I put all your shit out there, and I pass it. I don't even care past the blunt, but I'm not gonna ash it, cause I don't smoke no more, and neither do I ball. Well, I ball on y'all, and that's all. Roll LeBron, it's a straight up Kobe. I don't even know what you said, but these niggas don't know me. But it take it to the window, to the wall. Then she take that shit from the bed to my balls. All up in my drawers, all up in the car. Then I have to go and make a phone call to my nigga Rondo, cause we going to the door, the place where they are whores, and we gonna get some more. I'm just playing cause he got a girl, so no club for you. Chillin', I be in the church. I'll be all up in the cut in my own shirt, man. I don't care about no sluts, just looking at the butts walking by. I be like, damn nigga, I do not get high. People said bang, or bed, or head, or sled, or dread. I don't even know what, but I will get that Confederale to come through. I don't even care, man, cause nigga, you up, I'm due, and I got that porn. Yes, I don't watch no porn. Yes, man, you know this chick is sworn as the freaking best good finger licking chicken. I come through with my dick in, and she slipping, and I'm sipping on this hat on my head with the fucking polo. I slide like a sled, all up in the bed with the legs open. Yes, I'm token. Yes, I was hoping for a one-horse hoping sleigh, no Christmas. I don't even care. I got kicks for Christmas on my wish list. What you say? What you say?
J's.
You said the damn J's. Concourse, everybody wanted them for days. But then I went and got some weed. Now I'm just playing, man. You know I'm a nice steed. And I'm a connoisseur of perp. I'm just playing, man, dog. I don't be in up in that dirt.
Ball.
And I got the damn ball. Can you please say this shit on time so I can just keep on flowing, dog? Yes, man, I think you said some Griffin. Yes, I got Blake Griffin and I'm not tripping. But I be damn high and I'm too damn fly. In my fucking closet got eyes on, no polo. I don't even care, I copped it on the dolo. My shit up and down like a yo-yo. Yes, they like me cause they see me at Nike. Then they wanna come pipe me and they like Spike Lee, Adidas. I don't even care because we feed this we feed this beat to the fucking monsters, man. I don't cheat. Yes, use the damn square. I'll make sure you never around. I'll have to kill you. Take it from the damn ground all the way up, but please don't. Oh.
Next week or what? That was good.